Hello! In this video we will be showing how to replace a dummy cylinder in an Andersen handle set with a keyed cylinder. Begin by unscrewing the interior faceplate. Then take a hex wrench and remove the interior handle. The set screw is underneath the handle here. Remove the interior plate. Unscrew the cylinder mounting bolts. Once those are off, you can remove the limiting plate and lock actuator. You'll be able to take off the dummy cylinder off from the exterior side of the door. Now, take your new keyed cylinder and slip it into the lock housing. The soft cylinder gasket goes on next, then the small round seal, then the hard cylinder spacer. Stick that through the cylinder hole in the exterior faceplate and the faceplate gasket. Fit it onto the door. Next, make sure the bushing is on the handle spindle and stick the handle and spindle in place in the door. On the interior side, fit the actuator in place in the lock cylinder and fit the limiting plate over it. Screw the limiting plate down and fit in the interior faceplate on top of it. With the bushing in place, install the interior handle over the spindle and tighten the set screw with a hex wrench. Tighten the faceplate screws from the interior side. Before closing the door, check that the lock functions correctly. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave them down below or visit us at allaboutdoors.com.